When a new client comes into Jackson & Wilson, there are several standard documents that we routinely use in most cases, and I want to go over those documents with you. This is a new client package. I have a new client coming in at 10:30 on an automobile case, and this would be a good representation of documents we would use in that type of situation. We have a very detailed client questionnaire that we ask the client to complete and get back over to us. It really does allow us to get a very good snapshot of what's happened to the client, their life story, their family story, and it really helps us do a good job representing their interests. We have a standard attorney-client retainer agreement that we use in most cases, and it's short, sweet, and concise and to the point. We have documents that are used to file paperwork with the Department of Motor Vehicles, and this is what those documents look like. And by the way, we help the client complete all these documents. We have a general authorization, which gives the client gives us authority to deal with insurance companies, police departments, and get access to records relating to the matter that involves our representation. We have a HIPAA privacy authorization form. This is the short version, which basically gives us access with the client's permission to their accident-related medical records. What I think is really important are the documents the client takes home with him or her. The first document is an attorney-client confidential communication. It's things you should not do and things you should do with us to help us do a good job representing the client. And things like don't sign documents sent to you until we review them first. Things like don't talk to anyone on the telephone, thank them for calling, share our name and number, and then get off the phone. Things that allow us to effectively represent a client in a case. One document that we send home with every single client is our testimonials. It's 30 years of testimonials here at Jackson & Wilson from past clients, from other lawyers. I believe it's about 16 pages long. We want the client, when they get home, to review these documents today, tomorrow, next week, next month, 6 months from now, and understand and appreciate that they're in good hands. We do care about what happens with their case. We take things personally, and we want to make sure we do a great job for our clients, and these testimonials help, I think, hammer that fact home. So we make sure the client leaves with our testimonials. On contingency fee cases, which are most of our cases, but not all, we explain what a contingency fee is. It's a no recovery, no fee. Attorney fees are not earned or paid until the case is resolved to the client's satisfaction. And we explain why contingency fees for many consumers are the keys to the courthouse doors. Without contingency fees, many consumers would not have access to our legal system. We also provide a senior partner firm profile, and it is a background of both Lisa and me, professionally, personally, things we like to do, just so that people will have a little bit better understanding of who we are and what our passions are. We offer a 24/7 online case portal, and we give the client an instruction sheet on how to use that case portal. They can access their case files, their emails, their documents, their case calendar, 24/7 at their convenience. They can communicate with us when it's convenient for them. And this case portal is a free charge to our clients, and we're honored to offer our clients that particular tool. We have a form. It's called Internet, Website, Social Media, and Email Warning. Basically, it lays out what clients need to be aware of when dealing and engaging on social media while we're handling their personal injury or their family's wrongful death case. We also have a document several interesting cases, and these are just a small sample of settlements and verdicts that we've been able to obtain over the last 3 decades for some of our clients. These are some of the more interesting cases. We think they're more interesting in the results of each case. And so the client can take this home with them and get an idea of what our past results have been. Awards and recognitions. Awards and recognitions, this is a document that lists probably most of the awards and recognitions that we've received over the years. And all of these documents are also found at the website, both in PDF and in the form of website pages, so the clients can go to these documents online at their convenience. And just be rest assured that they've made the right decision by selecting our firm. So that's what we do here at Jackson & Wilson. We really enjoy helping people in catastrophic injury and wrongful death cases. And if you ever have any questions, if you'd like to reach out to us, it's always a pleasure. Just reach out to jacksonandwilson.com. Our contact information's at the website, and it will always be our pleasure to answer your questions. And if we can bring value to your case, to step in and help you with your case. Thanks, everyone. This is Mitch Jackson. Make today your masterpiece.